Okay, everyone, with the heat the way it is here in the Houston area right now, I try not to be out here too much. It is so hot that it's just miserable to be out here. And that is why I'm doing another harvest and taste, but this time for lemon drop peppers. Okay, so these peppers right here have a Scoville rating between 30,000 and 50,000 as far as heat is concerned. And if you're wondering just how hot that is, that's basically like a cayenne pepper. It's about 5 times hotter than a jalapeno. Now, if you all remember the way the habanero and the Carolina Reaper did me when I did that video, which I'll put up right here, I'm not exactly looking forward to this, but I think I can handle this pepper. But we're about to find out, y'all. Okay, so here are the peppers. Now these right here are not fully ripe. This one, but this one right here is ripe, and that one back there. Just a beautiful yellow pepper. And like I said just a few minutes ago, it is so hot here that just being out here for a few minutes, I'm already pouring sweat. So we're about to go inside and do this pepper challenge, y'all. All right, now that we're inside, we're gonna give this baby a shot. Now, I'm not going with the small one. I'm gonna do a good size one here. And just for the record, peppers and me are not the best of friends. Ought to be a little fun. This pepper is supposed to have a citrusy flavor, according to Baker Creek, where I got these seeds. I'm excited to try it. I'm a little nervous, I'm not gonna lie. All right, y'all, here we go. Yep, it's hot. It's hot. Oh, man. Here come the burps. All right, I ate it. Oh. Holy crap. Yeah, those are hot. I'm gonna have the burps for like ever now. All right, I did not break. And I showed all of it from the time I ate it till right now, which is about a minute. Maybe a little less. Here's another one. I'm not eating that. It definitely does have a citrusy flavor. Like for real, it has a citrusy flavor. There's a lot of heat. It is definitely hotter than a jalapeno, for sure. Way less than a habanero, thank Lord. It's pretty hot. I've been wanting to go to the milk, but I've been holding out, waiting for the time to go. And y'all, you can see this isn't from the heat. There was about a 15-minute gap between when I came inside from filming the intro to right now. So I was cooled down. I wasn't hot. I'm sweating from the heat. This pepper. It's hot. Now, for those of you that can handle hot peppers, you're gonna think this is nothing. But for me, this was hard to do. I'm not gonna lie. I've been psyching myself up for this for quite a while. Now, you might be wondering, why do I grow peppers if I don't like to eat them? I like to give stuff away. I like to use them in pickling, canning, that kind of thing, and playing with adding peppers to salsas and that sort of a thing. So this one is a good one. It is definitely hot. There is a definite heat. I can feel it back here. You can see I'm pouring sweat. Y'all, that's a good one. But it's been a few minutes now. I think I'm gonna get me some milk. I'll be right back. Actually, not too bad. Making my nose run a little bit. Woo! Man. Okay, now that my mouth is like not quite burning as much. If y'all didn't know, never drink soda, beer, water, anything like that when you're dealing with peppers. What you want is dairy, whether you're just butter, cream, something dairy, milk, because it's supposed to help relax a capsaicin, which is the hot stuff in a pepper, which is where the Scoville scale rates everything. That's probably about the hottest pepper I'll ever eat again. I'm never doing any of the scorpions or ghosts or reapers or X's or any of the other ones. This right here is a top. That was hot, y'all. Okay, but while my mouth is on fire, I found these in the back of my pantry. Now, I'm gonna zoom in here so you can see exactly what this is. Okay, so these are pickles that have cayenne peppers in them, jalapenos, whole bunch of stuff. Some dill seed. I'm really, really nervous about eating these. I'm not gonna lie to you. But I figure I'm already sweating. My mouth is on fire, so why not go ahead and give these a shot. I'll be honest, I don't know what I was thinking when I made these. But these are gonna be hot. So, okay. Just popped it open. Woo, man, you can smell the heat in this right here. Okay, so like I said, a little closer view here. Those are not cayenne peppers. I believe those are Tabascos. No, they're too long. So they've got to be cayenne peppers. That's my guess. And then, of course, we got the jalapenos down here at the bottom. Yo, I'm kind of nervous about this one. But you know what? It's been 6 minutes since I had the lemon drop. And for the most part, except for one area where I was actually crunching on the seeds back here, most of the heat is gone. Now I'm still pouring sweat, but it's actually not too bad. I did drink 2 big gulps of milk, which helped, but yeah, is what it is. All right, here we go. I'm excited and scared. There's definitely heat to that pickle right there. All right, let's give it a shot. Really, really good flavor. Really, really good flavor. Very strong pickle flavor, for sure. Almost no heat. I'm really, really surprised there's almost no heat. I think the jalapenos added a good flavor to it, though. But these cayenne peppers, these have got to be cayenne peppers, really didn't do anything as far as heat-wise. Now, I bet if I made these with this in there, there's going to be some kick to it. And that will absolutely be done. Once I harvest a bunch of those, I will totally do that. Those are good, but not a lot of heat. I really thought there'd be heat to that. Whew, man. Good grief. All right, y'all, if y'all enjoyed this video. All right, everyone, so that's the video. This was a really short video. I just wanted to have a little fun. With it being so hot outside, there's only so much we can do. I mean, today is a heat index of 108 with the actual temperature being 96, and it's the end of June right now. So July and August here are going to be outrageously hot. I'm going to be doing a lot of inside videos or early morning or late night videos because I just can't be out there during the heat. It's too much. It kills me. So hope you all enjoyed this video. As always, if you did enjoy it, do me a favor, share it, like it, and subscribe to this channel if you've not done so already. I know I'm speaking on behalf of everyone that's on this channel that we would love to have all of you join all of us on this continued journey of gardening together. It's been about 18 minutes since I ate that pepper, and to be totally honest, y'all, almost all of the heat is gone. So, and that's coming from a guy that does not handle spicy stuff very well, and I love to eat it. It kills me, not gonna lie. So, as always, everyone, take care, God bless, continue to shine bright and harvest hard, and I'll talk to you all again real soon. Bye.
All right, Chad, we're gonna try the scorpion pepper yours today. I have a little bit of a comparison. I buy these from HEB off the shelf. Scorpion pepper. I'd say these mildly hot. They're nowhere near what I think they're rated at. This is down home backyard gardening. I don't know what you did to this thing to make it so angry, but there's a big difference between those two peppers. This one, frankly, I'm scared to eat, but we're gonna try it. All right. I like to eat my peppers with food, just how I enjoy it. Some people will say it tones down the Scoville. Don't matter to me. I like to do it. So, eat some. It's warm, for sure. I'd say habanero hot. Let's try this one. All right. That's significantly hotter. Let's go again. It's hot as shit. That's good though. Crazy the difference is in just the appearance of them. Definitely a difference in the Scoville level, I'll tell you that. It's hot right now. This is happening very hot right now. Whew. All right, Chad. Well, I appreciate it. I'll take more if you got them. Thank you, sir, and thank you at Down Home Backyard Gardening.